Hi, this is Bill Yockey, editor of Digital Signage Today. We are here at InfoComm 2008. I'm at the ITS Enclosures booth with Carl Jackson. Carl, what are some of the things that deployers should look for when placing a screen outside?
Well, Bill, one of the considerations, or a number of the considerations, are they want to make sure they understand where they're putting the displays and how they want to house them. Big considerations are always moisture, heat, cold, those types of things, and that's what the enclosures are designed to protect against.
I noticed that over on the other side of the booth you've got a screen that is has water running over it. Is that something that is necessary in an outdoor deployment?
Well, yeah, we feel that it is, because obviously these are the types of things that deployers may run into whenever they're placing the screens in outdoor environments. Obviously the demonstration's a little over the top. We want to make sure people understand that it is impervious to water.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Carl. For more on ITS Enclosures, InfoComm 2008, go to digitalsignagetoday.com.